Okay, dear students, welcome back. Here we are going to the lecture 3 for the English grammar session. In previous session we discussed about simple present tense. Now in this lecture we discuss about present continuous tense. We know that there are tenses available in the present, past and future. These three types according to type. And all types of the tenses are 12. But according to your subject syllabus in Gujarat Technological University sub is only 8. So these 4 are not subjective for this particular subject. So in the last session we discussed about simple present tense. Now in this session we discuss about present continuous tense. What is the meaning of present continuous tense? Normally present continuous tense also known as progressive or imperfect tense. Okay. So in this session we discuss about how to make the sentence in form of present continuous tense, in a negative sentence, then questions form in a present continuous tense and related exercise. Okay. So before we start, we know that sentence is made from subjects, objects and the verb. So first of all we know that about the subject and object. Now subject has a 3 part. Normally subject has a 3 part: first person, second person and third person. Same way object also first person, second person and third person, 3 part in a form of singular form and plural form. So what is the meaning of first person? First person means the person who speak. Okay, the person who speak, it's called first person. And second person is the person who are speaking. So this is called the second person. And third person means speaking about something is called the third person. So here singular form for the first person is I and plural form is we, you, then you, and he, she, it and they. Same way here as in object, me and us, you and you. Here third person is him, her, it and them. Here one question is arise. In a first person, so singular second person is you. Same way plural second person is also you. So here is the confusion. But here you is used for the one person and here is used for the more than one person. So dear friends, as we know the object and subject with using the verb, in a previous lecture we make a simple present tense. Here same way we are making a sentence with the use of subject, verb and object. What was the new in this session? Here is a sentence. For each sentence of any tense has a basic formula. So as we know, basic formula is the present continuous form is subject plus to be plus verb, ing and object. So what is the difference from the previous one? In previous one we see that only subject, verb and object is simple present form. Now to change in a present continuous form, we add here is a to be function. Here we add the part as a to be and verb with the ing. Okay, so this made to be plus verb ing is form is called present continuous form. Here to be, we know that here to be is called as a helping verb. It's the help the verb is the action part, and is the help the action part is a to be. Here we are using as a to be form as a helping verb is, am and are, and here verb is a base form, and this ing is a see process as a continuous. So this 3 portion here to be is a helping verb is, am, are, and this verb is a base form, and this ing represent as a process as continue. So subject and object we already discussed. So let's see the one example. Here subject is I or you, we, they, and its form is am, are is a to be form or helping verb, is a go is a base form of go, and ing is a continuous process and to school is the object. Here blue I, then am. You, we, they is a green font, is the R. So here connected with the I am going to school. Same way you, we, they are going to school. So this way we can make a sentence. Same way is a third person singular is a he, she, it and any name. So here we use a helping verb is going to school. So same way we can make a sentence in a first person singular, second person and third person or plural form. Now let's we discuss some examples in a present continuous form. So subject plus to be plus verb plus object. This is the basic formula of present continuous tense. And same way we as previously see, here I am using verb is a play with ing. Okay, play with ing. So for examples, I am playing cricket. So here am is the helping verb, play is the base verb, and this ing adds, and this make a form of continuous form. So same way I am is related with the correlated with the I. Same way you are playing cricket, we are playing cricket, they are playing cricket. So these three are in a green form using R. So here third person we are using he is playing cricket, she is playing cricket, or it is playing cricket, or any name is playing cricket. So these are the examples with using the verb is play. Okay. Same way we are having discussed about the some other example also. So this is the formula, base formula, or subject, object and to be form. Here I am using the go. Is a verb, base verb is the go. So here I add am because of this I, subject is I, and to market is object. So same way we are having some examples or make a sentence in terms with the present continuous form. Okay. So he, she and it or any name is going to market. So these are our the examples. Now we discuss about the make the sentence negative sentence. How to make the negative sentence? What we would like to change in a simple continuous tense. So here we just changed our basic formula. Subject is as it is, to be is also as it is, but add with the not, plus verb ing and object is as it is. So here I just simple change to be form in form of plus not is add. So here is same way subject. So here I add not. Okay, the examples is the same way. He, she, it, or any name is plus add not plus going to market. Okay. Now see here we are trying to see some examples of negative sentences. So here is I am playing cricket, you are playing cricket. So here just we add the here is a not, here to be with the not. So our sentence become I am not playing cricket, you are not playing cricket, we are not playing cricket, they are not. So the same way we are just here add the not function. So this sentence become negative sentence. So it is very simple. You just add to be form or helping verb with not. So this sentence become negative sentence. Okay. Now next is the question form. How to make a question form in present continuous form. So here is the basic formula. So basic formula here I change to be is replace here to here before the subject. So in the previous we are using to be form is a helping verb in after the subject. Here in question form we are replacing before the subject. The remaining things are same. So here is the some basic formula and the examples. Okay. So here we see that to be form is in before the subject, or verb is as it is and object is as it is. So our simple sentence is this: I am playing cricket. you are playing cricket, this way. And now we are converted into question form. So we just here to be form in before the subject. How it is make? Am I playing cricket? So here am is before the subject. The same way other sentences are you playing cricket, or are we playing cricket, or are they playing cricket, or is he playing cricket, like that. Okay. So this way we can make the present continuous form in question types. So it is very easy. You just remember, just shift here from to be in before the subject. Anything is not to be changed. Okay. Now we are discuss about some exercise for the practice. So in GTU syllabus, fill in the blanks with the appropriate present continuous tense form of verb given in the bracket. Okay, so this type of questions asked in a GTU final examinations of English. So let's we try or practice one exercise. Before we start the exercise, we remember the form of present continuous tense. We use is, am, are. These are the helping verb plus ing. Okay, so this shows the ing is a continuous form from of the verb. So the ing form of the verb is there some basic rule how we make the verb in ing form. Suppose in case of most verb, we add ing to the original form of the verb. Suppose sleep plus ing, it means sleeping. Play plus ing, it's a playing. Eat plus ing, it means eating. So there is nothing changed, but you just add the ing form. This is the one method. Now in the second method, when a verb ends is e, any verb having a word e is the end. So we omit the e and add the ing. So suppose rise. So here is the add ing. So remove the e. So ris ing, rid ing, sin ing. Okay. So this is the second method to make a ing form. Then third one is the in case of certain verb, we double the letter, last letter before adding the ing. Here is the run. So here we are using double n. Running, heat, so heating, shut, so shutting. It means last letter before the last letter is a any a e i o u. As we know, if this a e i o u is used, then it will be doubled here. Okay. So these are also you know that. And the last one is when a verb ends with ie. So change ie to y. Suppose be ie. So ie form, then you change ie replace with the y. So dying. tie. So change ie with the y. Time. Lie. The lie. So these are four different methods to make a ing form, because we are require ing form for making a sentence in present continuous. Okay. So this maybe you remember. So let's start with the exercise. Here are some fill in the blanks I will be prepared here for the practice. So these are the 10 fill in the blanks. We just read the one by one. First one is my brother dash go to school. Here is the verb is go. So we are here insert appropriate form of go in a present continuous form. So what happened here? My brother is third person singular. So here is and form of go in a form of ing is going. So is going to school. Here is used because he is my brother is a third person singular. So he, she, it or any name we are using is a helping verb. Go is a base verb and ing is to be added. Okay, simple. Now second is the I. So here we add am. Helping verb is am and understanding. So here I am understanding English. Clear? Because I is the first person singular. We are had here helping verb is am. Understand with the ing form. So you just remember this thing. Third one is my friend are laughing. So here are is used for the friends, plural form, and laugh it means laughing. So this is laughing is a present continuous form. The weather in California dash perfect. So we are using here become is a third person singular, is becoming. Same way our cats are sleeping in the garden. Hurry up, we means plural form, and we are using here are waiting. What are you dash, here form we require form of do is here and right is here. So what is a do means doing ing form, and then right new forms of the ing writing. And helping verb is I am. So here is I am writing. Here he is working. She is working. Okay. And the last one is the child dash bigger every day. The child also say is means getting. So this way we can fill in the blanks with the form of present continuous tense. So what is the difference? We learn two tenses of present. Here is the first one is simple present tense and present continuous tense. What is the difference? In simple present tense, action will be done regularly, and present continuous tense, action which are going on at the time of speaking. Okay. Example is I go to school every day. So it's converted in present continuous. I am going to school today. I brush my teeth regularly. I am brushing my teeth now. So words like usually, every day, always, regularly are often used in simple present tense, and words like now, at these moments are often used with the tenses is called present continuous form. Okay. So students, I think you are very clear about the simple present tense and simple present continuous tense. So these two tenses are part of the present tense. Okay. So after the previous exercise, you will able to prepare English workbook page number 3 and 4. So page number 1, 2 for the simple present tense, and 3 and 4 for the simple present continuous tense. Okay. So every student is a fill in these particular pages exercises. Okay. So next topic is our present perfect tense. Okay. So thank you very much. I hope you can understand very well about two types tenses which we already studied. Okay. Thank you very much.